How to block Facebook app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find and tap on Screen Time. This feature helps you get insights about your device usage and set limits. Within the Screen Time options, tap on App Limits. This allows you to set daily time restrictions for specific app categories. On the App Limits page, tap on Add Limit. Here, select the social category, and then choose Facebook from the list. Tap Next at the top right to continue. You can now set the amount of time for the limit. For this example, it is set to 1 minute. You can also customize the limit for specific days of the week. Once you are done, tap on the checkmark icon in the top right. Finally, the limit is now set for the Facebook app. Following these steps, you can easily block Facebook app on an iPhone.